Today, the cyberspace is expanding at a rapid pace, and it is increasingly being recognized that technological literacy is a prerequisite to compete and thrive in the wired economy. With the expanding role of implementation of technology across sectors and the growth in volumes of transactions and data exchange via internet, cyber security, as reiterated by our Honorable Prime Minister, has emerged as the most critical factor when we move towards digital India. While making efforts to achieve digital India, the government is striving to make digital safe and secure India by focusing on securing Indian cyberspace and connected digital infrastructure in the country. Secure cyberspace is realized by three dimensions of information security, which are people, process, and technology. While there are many initiatives being taken towards technology and setting up of policies and processes, it is seen that people is the weakest link. Strengthening of human resources is the only aspect which can help the nation to secure its cyberspace in long term. Research has indicated that there is a 21% higher return on investment by investing in people. As the complexity, frequency, and sophistication of cyber attacks continues to increase, the pandemic has amply highlighted that we are codependent, interconnected, and vulnerable. Due to the pandemic, we are now embracing the new hybrid working model, which includes working from home as well as from offices. From a governance perspective, this means that cyber security awareness and training is now a core competency and not a compliance checklist item. Now you do not have your IT support team at your residence, and you have to be your own IT support. Now you are the first line of defense, and that is why the government has embarked on this security education training and awareness program to ensure that you are trained sufficiently to give a positive impact on national security, public safety, and economic well-being by increasing and improving trade, competitiveness, and innovation so as to achieve the vision of secure, resilient, and vibrant digital India. I wish you all the best, and I look forward to constructive feedback, if any, from your side. Thank you.